I see here two key priorities for the implementation of our National Building Renovation Plan in the context of the transposition of the EPBD. Buildings affect the daily life of all of our citizens, so I think it's essential to listen to all of them to improve the quality of our national plan and also its capacity to fulfill the goals. On the other hand, I would like to highlight also the use of new technologies and data, because nowadays Spain has access to much better data on buildings, energy uses, and I think it is useful to use all of this data for increase the credibility of our plan, also to set realistic goals towards the implementation of zero-emission building stock.
We have been working in that national building renovation plans, Spain through that building plan the last month, and inside it you can find really specific and very hard work trying to know how is building stock in Spain, how are all the differences in the building stock, and how we can try to be as similar as possible to other countries, but keeping all that differences aside, because it's needed to make feasible reach zero-emission building.
In the last years, I think there's been a big push in the renovation sector in Spain, especially since the arrival of the next generation funds. But I think we still lack of a clear offer towards citizens in order to make them easy to take the big decisions. How do I take my home from the way it is today to a net zero scenario in 2050? This kind of decision for citizens is not going to be easy. It requires a big investment, it requires a lot of work, and it requires therefore a very professionalized sector, which is very different from the traditional constructions. And on top of that, of course, we need to train our workers, both blue and white collars, to make this sector work the way we want in order to achieve all those ambitious objectives that come from the EPBD.
The transformation required by the EPBD is not only a regulatory challenge, it's an opportunity to rethink how we design, build, and renovate in Spain. Industrialized construction, through initiatives like Habitat, show us how innovation can deliver higher quality buildings, high performance in energy, and lower carbon by design, not by correction. Digitalization allows this transformation to be measurable and real. BIM transforms into the backbone of the building, and sensorization helps us to understand building performance.